Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Paranspe and welcome to my first ever vlog. I've been wanting to make a vlog ever since I got the action camera that I'm holding right now, and I'm finally getting to do it. So after waiting for more than 1.5 years, I'm finally going on a photo tour which happens to be in Amboli, which has been a bucket list location for me for a long time. Uh, my friend is conducting a herb trail there, so I'm joining him, and a lot of lifers do await me at Amboli. So let's see. I am actually procrastinating and not packing up. I have a bus in a few hours. So yeah, I'll get to packing, and I'll see you in a few minutes, in a few hours. So I stopped procrastinating and finally got my packing done. All the clothes and accessories are in the other bag. This bag is the important one according to me. So the main thing here is my Nikon D70-200 DSLR, my 18-105 for landscapes during Amboli, the 105 macro lens which I've rented from Primes and Zooms for this trip specially, tripod, phone holder, charger and earphones for listening to songs, a good book, and my raincoat which I will need excessively during the trip. So this is all done and I'm ready to go. The bus will be here in an hour, so I'll see you in the bus. So right now I've just gotten into my bus. I have chosen the lower single seat because I don't want to fall out and injure myself during the travel at night. I can't really sit upright because it's a sleeper, there's not much space here. So I've boarded my bus. It's about 9 p.m. right now. According to the information given to me by the tour company, I am supposed to reach around 6 a.m. at Sawantwadi. So as of right now, I'm pretty set. The only thing that I need to do is pass time till I get sleepy, then sleep. But the thing is that tomorrow I'll be reaching at 6, but my friends who are with me on the tour are reaching around 10 o'clock. So I have to pass time in Sawantwadi for about 3 to 4 hours. Depending on when I reach and when they reach. So that is the only thing I'm really concerned about. Not even concerned, I'm just bored that I need to spend that time alone. So yeah, as of right now I'm pretty set, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So the bus that was supposed to arrive at 6 has arrived at about 8:50. So due to unnecessary stops at night, but finally I'm near Sawantwadi. I'm going to the Sawantwadi railway station right now, where I'll be meeting my friends. One thing that I was scammed was that the site mentioned that the bus was AC, but it was actually not. It had windows. So okay, happens. I can't really control that. But now I'm just happy that I don't have to spend hours on end alone and try to figure out what to do. So okay, so in a few hours I'll be off to Amboli. Can't wait to be there. Can't wait to see the snakes. So now we've reached Amboli a while back. We had good amounts of food, filled ourselves, and now we are roaming. I am roaming the foggy forest to find some snakes. Anurag and Nazish already found something. So yeah, the first The first trail has already started. I hope we get to see something. काय दिसतंय? Oh, I think I'll get a few photos of it. Hello everyone, this is Anurag. We have removed our mask only for this peculiar video. So Anurag, I want you to tell me a brief overview of what Amboli is and where it is and what is seen here.
So hello everyone, and as you can actually see, we are in the nature's paradise, as the north western ghats people will call it. So Amboli is basically the southern limit of the northern western ghats in Maharashtra, and as you can see, it is a part of the dense vegetation of Sahyadris. And right now we are entering into the Amboli Forest Park, and it is actually very dense, so we had to get the video up before we enter the park. So wish me luck, and let's hope we find out something.
Let's go. As you all can see, the canopy increases and the light decreases heavily. So that's why we had to get that shot outside of this dense foggy canopy. So let's see if we get anything. Honestly, I've just entered the forest and I am slowly and steadily falling in love with the general vibe and the total ecosystem that this place has. It's just such a creepy yet fantastic experience. So let's go. I'll keep my camera down. I'll explore this place and let's see what we can find. Let's go. The first herb trail for me was really more of an ice breaking trail because I had never worked with external flash with diffuser and a macro lens. So I used this opportunity to experiment and get comfortable with the gear that I was holding. In that trail, we saw a lot of small critters, hundreds of leeches. We did see a cool molt of a cicada, a jungle calotus juvenile, an Amboli bush frog, which is endemic to Amboli. That means it is not seen outside of Amboli. We did even see the Malabar gliding frog, which is a specialty. Many people come here to see that frog. My selfie stick did graze against the branch that was holding the leaf on which the frog was, but in the end, we left it as it is. We did not disturb it in any way. And just below the gliding frog was a pond which had multiple tadpoles of the ornate narrowmouth frog. So, this is a summary of my first trail. The next trail I'll be talking about in the next video. I hope you like this video. If you did like it, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what you liked, and I'll see you in the next video. So, subscribe and thank you for watching.